Tracy. Welcome to my channel. Happy New Year, everyone. I've put together 12 days of yoga, chair yoga, where we can stretch, move the body, and find a little bit more balance and peace, and also really great for setting intention. If you're new to my channel, I am a registered acupuncturist and a yoga teacher, and what I like to do is I like to combine both of those modalities to provide you with some helpful tips so that you feel just more at ease. So included in these videos you will find some acupressure points, maybe some Chinese medicine tips of what we can do for our feeling balanced and feeling healthy throughout the year. So please join me for the next 12 days. I look forward to celebrating this new year with you. And if you like it, please subscribe, comment, and give me a thumbs up. Oh, and this is Brewster, if you haven't been on my channel before. He's my doggy. He's 12 years old, and he's just so cute and rambunctious. So he may be coming in and out of the frame. Look forward to seeing you on day 1.